Santosh, let me know when you can see the screen. I
Yeah,
have
rotate.
shared the
Yeah,
type one.
we can see the screen. Just rotate the PDF file.
Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah. So this is our wellhead 198. So if you can see that near to the wellhead, can you zoom in there near to the wellhead? Left side. Yeah. Zoom in there. Yeah. So if you can see this clouded portion down, go down. Here we are installing this cyan color. Can you zoom in that near to the cyan color? 2.2 or 2.5 meters something spool will be replaced and it will be installed in the line. Can you go down to the section view below? It will be clear in the section view. Yeah, zoom in. So there will be weld connection on either side of the spool and the cyan color entire spool will be provided by vendor. And there will be some modification from piping side also, that flange connection should be provided on the Coriolis side.
And this is similar to all wells, right? All 60 wells.
Yeah, it will be typical for all 60 wells.
I think we discussed in the hazard, right? So you said you will be taking a shutdown, right, for this well while doing this modification?
Yes, shutdown is required.
Okay, okay.
And how many days typically you need to do this installation? 5 days, 10 days?
That maybe operation or construction guy can confirm on this.
Okay.
Suggest, sir?
We have Yasser from operation, from construction. Assalamu alaikum, Yasser.
Walaikum salam. Yes.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, good.
Thank you, Yasser. Thank you. Okay.
We have
Good
a
guys,
question.
so-
If you can repeat the question.
Can you repeat, please? Just no I join.
Actually, we wanted to know that when we are going to put or insert this Coriolis meter on the wellhead downstream, how many days you need to shut down the well? And do we have nearby wells also, or this is a standalone wells?
Actually, we need to take the shutdown and we need to do the purging for that line. We need to check downstream exactly where we are going to install.